Hey you guys, I'm back. I did part of my carpet. Look at all this dirt come out of, look at that. And this me doing summer cleanup. And this what I used for my shampoo. You know, this stuff works really good. Look all the dirt it poured off from here. So I finna empty that out. This is my shampoo. Okay, I done got part of my carpet clean here. I'm not done. My furniture is thrown everywhere. There's a box there. So I was trying to just get it how it need to be. Okay, so I got a window open. I'm gonna go get this industrial fan and let it blow. Binks don't like the vacuum. She probably, Mama, this floor wet. Okay, you guys, I'll be back with another update.